Some residents of riverine communities in the Niger Delta have called on the federal government, state governments, and interventionist agencies such as the Niger Delta Development Commission to step up development efforts in the health, education, and infrastructural sectors to ensure sustainable development in the creeks. According to them, development should go beyond figures, government policies, and press statements issued from afar, but must reflect the dignity of the people and their access to basic necessities of life. As the sun rises and sets over the creeks, the message from these communities remains loud and clear. Despite the Niger Delta's significant contribution to Nigeria's economy, many riverine areas still lack basic social amenities, from dilapidated jetties, bridges, and poorly equipped health centers to struggling schools. Residents say conditions have remained largely unchanged for years, even as their traditional source of livelihood have been impaired by oil exploration and exploitation activities. They insist that development must be visible and felt at the grassroots.
Our priority development is roads and bridges across our areas, so that transportation will be easy for our people over the riverine areas. And then secondly, lights. We know it's a problem in this country, but the government is trying. We want the government to try more to see that the riverine areas where our resources of this country comes from is taken care of.
Look at the school environment and provide better fencing for the school. As for the school laboratories, the biology and chemistry, building entirely they want to put will be a better structure for all the Bomondi indigenous.
So we need so many things, and you can see the antenatal ward, that's 5 beds, is an eyesore. Even the primary health center clinic cannot observe that this is a general hospital.
We will take it to government and ensure that the needs of our people are taken care of.
Speaking on the situation, a son of the soil, Chief Mike Ayapayi, expressed optimism that the cries and reports from the riverine people will attract renewed attention from government and relevant stakeholders. In response, Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff Oboribori reassured riverine dwellers of his administration's commitment to inclusive development across all parts of Delta State.
2026 will perform more because we have already connected with the center. So you can see the center is working, the state is the sub-national are working. And we're able to manage our resources because we're being prudent. We are doing our best, and we are very sure that between now and next year, we will not still borrow. But he said, giving the chunk of this to works, 450 billion. We are doing a lot. And the way you say works, it's not only highways. Riverine is still there. So 450 billion is something that Delta State need more roads, need more bridges, need more flyovers.
Persistent challenges such as poor access road, heavy dependence on water transportation, limited electricity supply, and inadequate healthcare services remain part of daily life in many riverine communities. However, residents maintain that development in the creeks should be measured by its impact on the lives of the people, not by policy promises alone. Charles Kosipri for ADBN News, Asaba.